for a long time. What's about it? Holding up your lifeline.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Luisa. So today I have a very exciting mystery box bundle. Yay! Okay, I'm super excited for this bundle because I purchased this bundle off of Details Vintage. She's over on Depop. I will put all her information down below for you guys to check out her shop. She has literally the best vintage clothing ever. I'm like obsessed with her style. She has such an eye for style, and I feel like our styles are very similar. So she's actually moving from what I'm aware of, and she was giving away, like, well, not giving away, but she was having mystery wholesale boxes, which means all these items in this box will be on my Depop by the time you guys see this video. So please head over to my Depop if you guys like any of these pieces, and they will be ready for you guys to purchase. So I have 23 pounds of vintage goodness in this box that I cannot wait to show you guys. I still haven't opened it, so I have my handy dandy little what is this, a box cutter? And we're gonna get right into it. So we did communicate, and she asked me what I was wanting in my mystery box or anything like that. Oh my god, I'm already seeing color. Okay, so we communicated. I told her, you know what, I trust you completely. Like, I love your style, so just surprise me. So this is literally a mystery. She said if I did like any of her pieces already listed on her shop, I can go ahead and like them. I liked a couple, nothing too crazy, but we'll see what she threw in here, which I'm super excited. Oh my god, I see color, I see 80s, I see print. I'm literally so excited right now. Okay, so the first piece that I see is this amazing knit sweater cardigan. OMG, dude, look at this. This is definitely like 80s, I want to say. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this, with the crochet buttons and everything. Oh my god, this is so cute. And look at the sleeve detailing on this. It has like a paisley print, but it's all beaded and like colorful. Oh my god. Oh no, she didn't. Okay, this is one of the pieces that I liked on her shop, and I cannot believe she put it in here because holy crap. Look at this amazing, I think this was Fredericks of Hollywood, I want to say. It is Fredericks of Hollywood corset, and it has like the black bra top, and then it has the boning in the corset, and it has some side vent like lace right there for some extra detailing. How beautiful is this? Oh my god, I'm literally so obsessed with that. And then, ooh, yes, an 80s moment with the super big, like, with the shoulder pads. I love this. I love pieces with shoulder pads, and then they have like that small waist, just because it really makes, like, it outlines your waist and it makes you look like super, like, it outlines your silhouette, you know? So I just really like pieces like this. Oh my god, and this is one of my favorite brands. So yes, look at how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Okay, don't freak out. Yeah, no, she did it again. She did it again. This is another piece that I liked on her shop. It's this one piece. It's like, okay, so it's a little, what would you call it? Leotard kind of like situation, one piece. And it has all this velvet detailing at the bottom, and it has like the scrunch right here. Has the gold detailing on the top, and it has a mesh like see-through sleeves and chest area. So that's super beautiful. I love that. Let's see what else she threw in here. Ooh, I love this because it's not like black. It's almost like a chocolate brown. Oh, it's a Saks Fifth Avenue little like blazer. And it has like this amazing embroidery detail along the edges, which is really beautiful, and some right here. So it's really pretty. I love this piece. Nice. Oh my god, another knit sweater. How cute is this? OMG, you know, this reminds me so much of Michael Simon, like his like work, like the way he does his sweaters. So this reminds me so much of that. And I love it because it's all beaded. How pretty. Super cute. I love that. Let's see. OMG. This is super. Is this silk? It feels like silk. Yes, it is. It's 100% silk. It's like this dark emerald, like shimmy shake top, and it has like the it has a double-breasted closure and kind of like a satin finish around the collar with the pleated details. Really beautiful. I love that. Ooh, another sweater. This has like some sequins on the side. This gives me total 80s vibes with like all these stripes, kind of like zebra print. How cool. And then the top kind of has like that iridescent look. Super pretty. I love that. Another piece. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This is another, like, I want to say it's like a top, like a shacket kind of thing. But this is really pretty. I love the print in this, and the colorway is really nice. Ooh, and it's 100% ran. Really cute. Okay, another one. Oh, wow. This is new with tags. Size 8. Oh, this is... look at these pants, guys. These velvet pants. Oh, my God. Okay. These might be staying in my closet. Oh, my God. Look at this leg. Bitch. I'm sorry. I don't know if you could curse, but look at this leg. And it has, like, the slit down the back. Holy crap. These are amazing. I'm literally obsessed with this, and it has a stretchy waistband, which means your girl might be able to fit in these right now because I'm pregnant. So yes, for comfy pants for pregnant women. Another piece is amazing. Oh my God, 100% silk. Another like kind of blazer jackets like situation right here. I love the colorway on this. Super pretty. The colors on that is super nice for spring too. Then we got, ooh. This has to be silk. Oh no, it's suede. This 100% suede vest. And if, well, you guys don't know me like super well, but I'm obsessed with vests. Like, literally every time I go to the thrift store, I buy a vest. But look at how amazing this is. And it feels like legit like suede. Oh my gosh. I love the buttons on that too. Oh my gosh, she did such a good job. Yes, I love me a pop of color. This yellow button up. Oh my God, the collar on this is so pretty. Look at how amazing this is. And the collar it buttons all the way up to the top, so it gives you, this is real. Oh my God, I can already picture this. This will be perfect if you wore it with some trousers cinched in with like a belt. This collar is going to be everything. And it has like some shoulder pads, very light shoulder pads, so that's going to be very pretty. We have another 100% silk piece. Look at this gem. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with vintage dresses. This has like the puff sleeve and the pleated details in the front. And it kind of has like a peplum, so it has like, you know, like the long skirt. Oh my God, this colorway, so beautiful. And it has like a pressed on like floral detail and like a satin finish. So really pretty. I love that. We have another sweater moment. Ooh, but this one's like to die for. This collar. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love this. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at the ribbon detailing in the front with the little rhinestones and this collar, and then the way the cut is. This is definitely like an 80s piece. I love this. Super beautiful. Oh my God, there's so much more to go through. I might not even go through all of the pieces, so I might even just go through like half of it and, I don't know, save the other half for a little sneak peek on my Depop. So we have, oh my God, I thought this was a shirt. It's a dress. Oh my God. It doesn't say what the material is, but I can tell that it's silk. This is for sure a silk piece. Usually they have like hidden tags down here sometimes too, but if it's vintage, sometimes they don't. So this piece is literally amazing. I can tell that it has to be silk. So, oh my God, look at this leopard printed dress. It's seriously amazing, and it has like the peplum right here at the waist. And the best part is it has buttons down the back. I love dresses like this because I feel like it makes them look a lot more elegant. And then it has like a little bit of light shoulder pad action. So, oh my god, those are amazing. Ooh, and we have another sweater moment. This is Alfred Dunner. He's literally one of my favorite I guess you can say artist designers that you can like pick up. And it's like this sweater with, oh my god, all the shimmies on it. How cool is that? I love this print because it's not checkered, but it gives you almost like a checkered vibe. But all the diamond print is like literally super 80s. I love everything about this, and I love that it has shoulder pads. I'm just a shoulder pad kind of gal, you know. This, ooh, I want to say this is a 2-piece set. It is. Okay, so these are the bottoms, and they're actually new with tag. It's a drawstring waistband kind of pant. So this beautiful, nice color, and it has pockets, which we know, us girls, we love the pockets. And we have the top, which is right here. OMG, look at all these beautiful, like, cutouts on this top. So pretty. I love the pocket detailing in the front. I think that's super beautiful. This is going to be such a pretty piece for like spring because you can throw this on if it gets a little chilly, and then, or you can throw it off and have like a cute top and still have the matching pant. Oh my god, I love this. The cutouts on this is so beautiful. Super cute. And last but not least, this is going to be the last piece that I'm going to show you guys, is this black blazer. Holy crap, dude. You guys are not ready for this. Literally, I'm so glad this is the last piece. I didn't even know what it was going to look like, and it's freaking epic. This black blazer with super ultra shoulder padding. I could feel it. And it has velvet trimming on the collar. Look at all this detailing with the ribbon like checkered in between, and some sequins. And look at the button detail and this pocket. Oh my god. Literally, okay, I've never ordered a mystery box bundle. Actually, I have once before, and I never filmed it, but this is by far the best mystery box bundle I have ever received. So I have so many pieces to go through, which I'm so excited to look through myself. And if you guys are interested in any of these pieces, they will be listed on my Depop. All my info is going to be down below, but let me know what you guys think about the pieces. I'm sorry that I couldn't try any of them on. Honestly, it's really hard for me to style a lot of the pieces that I'm selling or even thrifting at the moment because a lot of the times they don't fit me. I have 3 more months, guys, till I have this baby, and we'll be having way more thrift haul try-ons, I promise you guys. So stay tuned for more thrifting content, more fashion, more hair inspo, more everything. So let me know what you guys think. Please like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.